Alright, let's get started. First, before you do anything, unplug the machine from electricity and take away the water supply. Turn it off and remove the hose. Then unscrew the back cover, just a few screws, and then remove the driving belt that is attached to the motor and the drum. Lay the washing machine on its side and unscrew the two big screws that hold the motor. Then take away the water protective cover from the bottom. After that, you will have to remove 3 wires from the motor. This yellow one, then this white one from the side, and lastly the ground wire, which is attached with the screw, so you can just unscrew it. Here they are, the 3 wires. After that, pull the motor off the pegs. You will probably need to use a screwdriver to lever it out. It's not easy. And here you have the buggers that need to be replaced. These little carbon brushes get worn out. So on the left you have the old ones, and on the right you have the new ones that I just bought. Here's the motor taken apart. Don't worry, you don't have to do this, but I just wanted to show you where the brushes are. They come from the sides, and now here in the close-up you will be able to see them where they are, here and here. Notice how they're slightly slanted. To take one of the brushes away, there's a connector where you need to push with a screwdriver on the bottom. There's a little pin that attaches it in there, so just push and pull. Here's the pin that you have to press to unlock the connection. When you get the old carbon brush out, slide the new one in and feed the spring into the tube. Slide the wider part in its attachment first, then snap the narrower part in place. And reattach the connector, which will snap into place with the pin again. Make sure that it's nice and snug, so there's contact. I forgot to mention that when you put in the carbon brush in, put it in the same way as you took the old one out, so the slant part is in the same. And here's the second one on the other side. Just remove the old one and put the new one in the same direction. Feed the spring inside the tube. Press the metal plate in its place again. Snap it in, like so. And place the connector back on. When you're ready, slide the motor back to in its place. It will not go there easily, so you will need some force. I have used a hammer on which I put an old bike tube to make it softer on the pounding, but it does the trick, so it works well. Just put it on and softly pound the motor back into place. Like so. Here we go. Then reconnect the connectors. The big yellow one first. After that, we will go to the brown one with the white connector on the right side. Snap it in, and then screw the ground wire back in its place. Once you're done, you can just reattach the wires into the plastic holder which held the wire in place to keep them from moving. Then you can put the water protection cover back on to cover the wires to keep water from splashing on the important parts. Make sure the wires go below the cover. After that, you're ready to screw the motor back and make it nice and tight so the rinse cycle doesn't move it around. Test it that it's properly attached. Reattach the driving belt. Just slide it on and move the top drum around and it will just snap into place. And after that, put the cover back on and you're done. Hopefully it works.